Alright, let's get real. If you've ever looked at a gadget and thought, what makes this tick? Then today's your lucky day. I'm about to show you how to build your very own hardware hacking kit from scratch. No more borrowing tools. No more wishing you had that one cable. Just pure hands-on hacking every time you get the itch. So, what exactly is a hardware hacking kit? It's basically your go-to toolbox for tinkering, soldering, poking around inside devices, making them do things they were never meant to do. Whether you're a total beginner or itching to level up, here's what you need to get started. First up, the basics. You'll want a quality screwdriver set, magnetic bits, Phillips, flat, Torx. You need these for phones, laptops. Next, precision tweezers. Trust me, your clumsy fingers will thank you when you're handling tiny chips or wires. Now, for the fun stuff, soldering. Grab a beginner-friendly soldering iron, some good solder, desoldering braid, and a stand. Pro tip: spring for one with adjustable temperature. It makes life a whole lot easier when you're working with delicate circuits. Let's talk about cables. You'll need USB to serial adapters, jumper wires, and some alligator clips. These help you interface with Arduinos, Raspberry Pis, and random stuff you find at car boot sales. A multimeter is non-negotiable. It's your best mate for checking voltages, continuity, and tracking down dodgy connections. Don't forget a few breadboards and a handful of resistors, LEDs, and buttons. These are perfect for prototyping and testing out ideas before you solder things down for good. Oh, an anti-static gear, a wrist strap, and Matt can save your precious tech from those nasty static shocks. Now, you don't need to buy everything at once. Start with the basics and keep adding as you go. Hit up local shops, online marketplaces, and even second-hand stores. You'd be amazed what you can find for cheap. The best part? Building your own kit means you know exactly what you've got, and you'll always be ready for your next hacking adventure. So, crack open that old radio, fix a broken console, or just experiment with something new. Who knows? You might just invent the next big thing. Hit subscribe if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of hardware hacking. Until next time, keep tinkering.